Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku Barcelona, September 2, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column D and fifth row, we have 3 and 5. The 3 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Column B, we will have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. Column E, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. Column F, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 5. 8th row and 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column J, 9th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 6. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Ninth row and 10th row, we have 2. Column B also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th grade, column J, we have 7. Column E, column F also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 4. Column F also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 7. Column C also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is from here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 4. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Second row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, we can confirm 1 also here. Second row, third row, we have 1. Column F also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 9. Second row and third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 4. Fourth row, second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.